If you took this 5 minute long and got your stop loss absolutely railed, this is exactly what you're missing. Within this setup, you're presented with a 5 minute inversion delivering from a 15 minute bullish fair value gap targeting a data high. On the surface, it sounds like a great setup. Now, the first thing you're failing to identify within taking a setup here is what we've already done, which is open, sweep sell side liquidity, then buy side liquidity, then sell side liquidity, then buy side liquidity. All of our objectives have been taken. Therefore, what price is likely going to do is it's going to accumulate and generate liquidity. Now, within saying that, I'm sure someone's going to counteract that with, oh, but we have a data high above. The thing is, what this data high did is it is a high that swept buy side liquidity, that previously swept buy side liquidity inside of a daily bearish fair value gap. Even though it's a data high, it is technically going to be protected. Now, moving on, although we are delivering from a 15 minute bullish fair value gap, we are delivering from a 15 minute gap after our buy side objective has already been met. Therefore, honestly, what you should anticipate here is for this to get disrespected to see prices lower. This 15 minute bullish fair value gap should only be used for a continuation if your buy side objective is still intact. And the last thing that I see wrong with this setup is the lack of a sell side sweep. You can see that we do not sweep any significant form of sell side liquidity here whatsoever. All that we have going for us is a 15 minute gap, which is honestly irrelevant given the context. And additionally, even if you don't want to admit it, I'm sure that some part of you subconsciously wanted to take a trade here after seeing this 30-second short play out and then this 2 minute long play out, and you were probably not part of those trades. If you ended up taking this 5 minute, I'm sure that even if it was subconscious, part of taking this trade was a little bit of fear of missing out. Now, with all of those factors being presented, that's exactly what led me up to fade this setup. I'm not saying that your opinion is wrong if you took this setup, but overall, in the long term, I do think that this is a low probability setup that is going to lose more than it wins. So I hope you guys learned something from the video, and drop a comment below and let me know if you took or faded the setup.